everybody, this is Mr. B from Lamborghini for me, and we are at Interstate Motorsport in Pennington, New Jersey. Special thanks to Mr. Steve. What you have right in front of me is a 2009 Lamborghini Murcielago LP640-4 in Blu Matt. This is actually a one-of-one Lamborghini Murcielago in this color, because this is the sole reason why there's an Ad Personam program at Lamborghini. Special thanks to CEO Stephan Winkelmann. He introduced this car at the Detroit Auto Show in 2008 with this one, along with the Gallardo in the same color as well. This kick-started off the Ad Personam color, so customers can customize any color and its shape and its form for them. So this is a bit of history with this car, and it's just incredible to see it in person. Of course, it packs a beautiful punch. It's one of the most iconic Lamborghini models in existence. Personally, Murcielago is my favorite, but you know, I appreciate all Lamborghinis as well, but I grew up with the Murcielago, so that's why I have a little more bias with Murcielago models. So let's do a walk around tour of this gorgeous car. This gorgeous car, again, is in Blu Matt, or matte blue, as so they call it. Beautiful finish all around, that beautiful glossy color. Look how much it shines with the light. It's such a magnificent color. Again, one of one, y'all. You don't see any other paint job that is from the factory like this. It's that special of a car, just glistening. It's just a beautiful, beautiful model of a car. You can see the engine right under the glass bonnet. That is a V12 6.5 liter engine. Packs a punch of a walloping 641 horsepower. I believe it hits 0 to 62 miles an hour in about 3.3 seconds or 3.4 seconds. Anyways, top speed over 205 miles an hour. Such a powerful and exclusive car. Jesus Christ. I'm probably going to open this up for y'all to give you a good interview, but again, we're just doing a walk around tour. Beautiful LED lights, LED tail lights in the back. It makes it more distinct other than the pre-LP. This is the one that are the LP's ones. Don't mix them together because the pre-LP ones have a different tail lights. This one is LP640, so that's another distinction as well. Here you got the one single exhaust right here, but it's just enough to hear this beautiful car sing. It's such a powerful, iconic sound. If you've ever heard of it, then it's just pure eargasm. Over here we got the 18-inch wheels, Pirelli tires, very beautiful finish of the black. Yeah, those carbon fiber brakes, so powerful. Here in the front as well, you can see it as well. Powerful 18-inch wheels. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Again, such a massive carbon fiber ceramic brakes for it to power and to control this crazy car. Let's go inside. And here's another thing that is fascinating about this particular car. So if you see the interior, it has the bucket seat. Actually, this is the SV seats. These ones are very unique. This one came out before the SV was introduced in the market. So not only it inspired the Ad Personam color program that Lamborghini has to offer, it also inspired the SV seats, the Murcielago SV seats that are later introduced in 2010. So that is such a special moment because it already has its history here. So there's the seats. Really like the blue inside as well. Look at that. Everything is so pristine and clean. There's a piece of history right there that you are able to get and own. Carbon fiber, Italian flag up there, dashboard. Again, this is such an iconic vehicle. And you know what? As promised, like I said, I'll open the engine for you. Let me close this real quick. All right, let me just open this up. Look at that. Look at that. Fantastic. Ooh, it's beautiful, beautiful. Look at it. It's 6.5 liter V12 engine. All the works, everything is such a fantastic looking car. Oh, iconic. Let me close this up. The passenger side tour as well. Since we're checking for the driver's side, let's do the passenger side as well. Again, the SV seats. Even before the SV was produced, they already have the seats that are used in the SV for the Murcielago, which is really cool. Again, carbon fiber, beautiful seat Everything about it is iconic. Close this up. Bam. So, to wrap this up, you can actually own this beautiful vehicle. Definitely check out the price below. I'll post it below, the price at the time of the video. But also check out Interstate Motorsport to contact them and own this piece of history that you probably will never get. This is one of one, like I said. This is the reason why Ad Personam program is in existence today. Special thanks to this car and the Gallardo in the same car. This one also inspired the SV model of the Murcielago series. So special thanks to this car. So definitely get a hold of this. Contact them if you have any other questions. Drop in the comment section below. But it's such a magnificent car. I'm just, it's such an honor being in the presence of an iconic vehicle. One of my favorite Lamborghini models of all time, Murcielago.